Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the prism concept. Okay, so we are going to learn the prism equation. Okay, a plus deviation is equal to I plus E, and refractive index formula. It is a deviation, minimum deviation with a thin prism and angle of dispersive power. Okay, these are the concept we are going to learn from the prism. Okay, this is a one video which is going to give the full concept from the prism. Okay, first we will learn what is a prism. Okay. So prism will be look like a three-dimensional shape. Totally it have the 5 faces. Okay, so if you want 3-dimension view prism, you can draw like this. Okay, this is a 3-dimension view prism. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, 2 triangular face and 3 rectangular face. Okay, so this is called, it's a rectangular base, we can take it. Okay, and this is we can call as an angle of prism. Okay, this is called refracted edge. Okay, this side, no, this highly polished surface A D F C, it's a highly polished surface. A D E B is also a highly polished surface. Okay, this side only the light will get refracted inside and it will be emergent outside. Okay, and the base we are not going to use here. Okay, and this is the angle of the prism. Okay, instead of drawing 3-dimensional view prism, you can use a 2-dimension view prism. Okay, this is the A, B, C. Okay, BC we can take it as a base of the prism. BC we can take it as a base of the prism. Okay, and this is the angle, we can take it as an angle of the prism. Okay, angle A we can call as an angle of prism. Okay, now NO, okay, NO is a normal for AB. This is the normal perpendicular line. Okay, normal always 90 degree. Okay, and N dash O is normal for AC. Okay, this side normal is going to be N dash O. Otherwise, O dash also, if you want, you can give separate normal O dash. Okay, now PQ is a incident ray. PQ is a incident ray. Okay, the point Q, where the light is going from rarer medium to denser medium. It is a rarer medium. Rarer medium is a air medium, and denser medium is a glass medium. The light travel from air to glass, rarer medium to denser medium. Okay, suppose the light will be traveled from when it is going with rarer to denser medium, it deviate towards the normal. Okay, this is the light path, but light is not going toward this side, it's getting deviated towards the normal because this is the normal. Okay, this we can take it as the angle of incident. Okay, angle of incident. Now I am marking with the green color angle of refraction. Okay, this is going to be from normal only, you should draw, it is angle of refraction. Okay, I am taken as a, that is R1. Okay, now this side the light is going from denser to rarer, the light path is this one. Okay, I am taken, this is R2, refract, this is R2. Okay, when the light is going from denser to rarer, it deviate away the normal. This is a normal, it deviate away from the normal. Okay, so from the normal only you should take it. This is called emergent angle. Okay, the first deviation, when the light is getting deviated first path, okay, it is deviated this much, I am taken as a deviation 1. Okay, again the second deviation happened here, I am taken as a deviation 2. This is called deviation 2. Okay, just I am drawing dotted line here. Okay, I will tell you why I am doing. Okay, if example, see here, like this we have, okay, this angle equal to this angle. Okay, so this is I am calling it a deviation 2. That means this also will be deviation 2. So this angle exactly equal to this angle, that we can take it as a deviation 2. Okay, and note this point. Okay, this I am taken D, Q, and R. Okay, D, Q, R will take it. That is together we'll have one triangle. Okay, addition of 2 interior angle will give the exterior angle. So that point only I am taken. Here will be D, here will be Q, here will be R. This is going to be deviation 1, this is going to be deviation 2. Okay, and this is a point, total deviation. Addition of 2 interior angle will give the exterior angle. Deviation 1 plus deviation 2 is called total deviation. So if you want total deviation, deviation 1 plus deviation 2. Okay, so this is a spot, we can take it as a total deviation. Total deviation is how much? Deviation 1 plus deviation 2. Okay, this is what you should understand from the diagram. Okay, once you know the diagram, you can go for the solution. Okay, solution when you are doing, you should do slowly. Okay, see here, first I am taken the point of Q. See how I am taken. So at the point of Q, like a cross mark is there, no, that only I am taken at the point of Q. So here incident ray, it's going like this, and this side will be the normal, okay. It is the point of Q. So at exactly point of Q, we have two datas. See here, this is angle of incident, this is angle of refraction 1, and it is called deviation 1. So this side equal to this side, okay, left hand side is equal to right hand side. When the cross mark is there, this side is equal to this side. So incident angle is equal to refraction 1 plus deviation 1. Exactly at this point, I is equal to deviation 1 plus R1. I am taken that equation, okay. Next I am taken the point of R, this point I am taken. See at the R point also again we have like this, okay. This we can take it as a emergent angle, okay. Now here in center we have one line, this is going to be R2 and this is going to be deviation 2, okay. I am deriving the equation for the prism, okay. So this is a method, very simple derivation only, okay. It's look like big but actually it's a very simple. So emergent is equal to refracted 2 and R2, emergent is equal to refracted 2 and deviation 2, okay. We got two equation, one of the equation I got from Q, another equation I got from the R, okay. So R point I got. Now deviation 1, what is deviation 1? Deviation 1 is equal to incident angle minus R1. What is deviation 2? Deviation 2 is equal to emergent angle minus R2, okay, deviation 2. Now what is total deviation? Total deviation is equal to deviation 1 plus deviation 2. What is deviation 1? Deviation 1 is I1 incident minus R1, What is deviation 2? It's going to be emergent minus R2, okay. Just a simplification I am doing. So I minus R1 plus E minus R2. So I and R I am making separately, See here, total deviation is equal to I plus E minus R1 minus R2. I am taken minus common outside, R1 plus R2 will have, okay, R1 plus R2. From left hand side to this one I am bringing as a right hand side. So total deviation, it's going to be plus R1 plus R2 is equal to I plus E, like this we have, okay. Next what I should do, see here, just I am simplifying, okay. A is equal to R1 plus R2 I am taken. I will tell you why also, okay. A I am taken R1 plus R2. If you are taken A is equal to R1 plus R2 means deviation plus A is equal to I plus E. So we got the Prism equation, okay. So first equation which I wrote, we derived actually Prism equation, okay. This is a Prism equation. Now we have another question also, why A is equal to R1 plus R2. That explanation I am going to give you now, okay. Again I am going to the diagram. See here, diagram no, this is a part I am taken, A, Q, O, R, A, okay. This is like a this is a rectangle, okay. That shape only I am taken. I will draw here, A, this is normal is coming this side, this is normal is there, okay. A, Q, O, R, this is I am taken, okay. This is normal, no, normal always 90 degree. I'll show the diagram. So this is a part we can take it as a 90 degree, this one 90 degree and this one 90 degree, okay. 90 what we can get, 180 degree. So angle Q plus angle R, is equal to 180 degree we can have, okay, 180 degree. So what is the opposite angle? Angle A plus O is equal to 180 degree, okay, is equal to 180 degree. Next step what I am going to do, no, I am going to take it as a triangle, okay. See here where I am taken triangle, QRO, the triangle I will show you. It will be like this, QRO, the triangle. This is R1 and this is R2 and this angle I don't know. So one triangle will be 180 degree, R1 plus R2 plus angle O is equal to 180 degree, okay. So if you want R1 plus R2, which is equal to 180 minus O, angle O, okay. So 180 minus O, this will take it as a equation 2, okay. Already I found the equation 1, this I am taken as a equation 1. Equation 1 also I can get angle O is equal to, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus angle O. 180 minus O, this is equation 1, is equal to angle A. 180 minus angle O, we can take it as A. So it's going to be R1 plus R2 is equal to angle of the prism. Okay, now we found we finished with the first equation, which one we require. Okay, this one we completed. Okay, next one I am going to do with this equation, refractive index. Okay, refractive index. Okay, so the second equation, prism equation, refractive index of A to G is Snell's law. According to Snell's law, sin I by sin R, sin I by sin R. This is called refractive index according to the Snell's law. Okay, now what is the refractive sin I by sin R? What is incident angle? What is refracted angle? Okay, we have prism like this. Okay, we have prism like this. Okay, so when the refracted ray, that's going to be PQ is the incident ray, QR is a refracted ray, RS is a emergent ray. Okay, when QR is become parallel to BC, base of the prism. Okay, when this two is become parallel, QR is parallel to BC. Okay, that is the time the condition will be I is equal to E and R1 is equal to R2. Okay, so this two will be equal when the prism and the refracted ray, when the base of the prism and the refracted ray is getting parallel. Okay, these two condition will be satisfied. Okay, now that is the time our deviation. Okay, if you are drawing incident angle versus deviation, if you keep on increasing the incident angle, the deviation will come as the very least value. That's a deviation is going to become as a, first the deviation will be decreased, then deviation will be increased. The deviation is become as a minimum deviation. When the deviation is become minimum, I is become as a R. Okay, R1 is equal to R2. Same time QR is become parallel to BC. Okay, this condition will get satisfied. Once this condition is getting satisfied means we know already prism formula, A plus deviation is equal to I plus E. Okay, when the deviation is become minimum, the below point of the graph, I is equal to E. Okay, so A plus deviation is become minimum is equal to I plus E means 2 times of I. This 2 it's become equal means 2 times of I. So I is equal to A plus deviation minimum divided by 2. This what we can get the angle of incident. Now what is angle of refraction? Angle of refraction also we know already. What is that now? A is equal to R1 plus R2. A is equal to R1 plus R2. This 2 is equal means A is equal to 2R. So what we will get R? R is equal to A by 2. R is equal to A by 2. Okay. So R also I got, I also I got. Okay, next step we have to substitute inside the formula. Okay, what is the formula? We know already. It is the formula is going to be the it's a Snell's law only. Okay, sin I by sin R. So refractive index of A to G is equal to sin angle of incident by sin angle of refraction. Sin I what we know, it's going to be A plus deviation, minimum deviation divided by 2. Divided by sin A divided by 2, because we know the incident angle is equal to A plus deviation minimum divided by 2. Okay, it is a refracted angle is going to be A divided by 2. Okay, when this going to be happen? When the deviation is become minimum. Okay, that is the time the graph will become as a minimum. It's a equation sin I by sin R. Okay, it's a Snell's law only, I modified like this.